Hey, Gianna, what you doing? Hmm? Nothing. You like all your toys in the tub? You rubber ducky? You got your ducky? Why you always give me that? For real? What else? What else? You gonna put some more up there? Oh, you just gonna take them out. Take them all out. Take them all out. Get rid of them. Finish. Finite. No more letters. Oh, hold on, Will. 5 is something different. You might keep the 5, huh? You gonna give yourself a bath? You gonna show people how you bathe yourself? Take a bath. Take a bath. What is that face? You gonna get rid of the towel too? Yeah, you need that. Splash water everywhere. Yay. I see it. We gotta get ready to get that soap off of your head now. Okay. What are you smiling so big for? Huh? Hey. Gianna, say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Yay. Yay.